welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing this face, welcome. My name is Elizabeth. You guys know me as Ruby, anyone you prefer. So you must be asking, why is this young lady in your screen? Hold up. I am here to bring you guys an unboxing video. So let me explain. Basically, I'm just going to be showing you guys random things I got during quarantine. Let's just get into the video. Stuff I got. Let me do this for you. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys stuff I got during the quarantine. So it's like an unboxing, but the truth is I've already opened most of this stuff, but we're just going to act like I'm just opening it, so you guys should pretend. So let's start. I realized you guys like clothing hauls and all that, so I'm going to be bringing more clothing hauls to your screen. Anyways, before we get into the video, I wanted to ask, and I want you guys to like comment down below. So I'm going to be posting new videos every week, but then I'm not sure what day of the week is the right time to post, because I want to know when you guys would be free or available to watch. So I was thinking every Fridays I will post a video, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think. I want to know when we should post, so we could have like dates for posting videos every week. Enough of this, and let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you guys is this. It's so precious. Oh my god. My favorite color is white, and I've been obsessed with getting everything in white. So I got this cute, very cute shoe. I got this in a size 38, but okay, let me check. Anyway, I got this shoe in a size 38, and this is how it looks. Oh la la, I love it. I'm obsessed, you guys. And I like it because it's so comfortable, like the heels is not too much. And then just take a look at this. This is killing me. So I'm going to wear it real quick and show you guys how it looks. That is what it looks like, and I am obsessed with this. I actually got this from an Instagram store. I can't remember the name, but then if you guys want to know, I think I'll just put it in the description box. So on to the next one. Oh my goodness, you guys, I got this from Tom C shop, which is my best friend. Oh, obsessed, you guys. So what I got, hey god, do you guys want to know what I got? Okay, calm down. I know you want to know, just calm down. Yo, are you serious? Look at this. I'm sure by now, like when I'm posting this video, I'm sure you guys have seen this on my page already, but Jesus Christ, oh my lord, are you guys seeing this? See details, I beg. God, I'm obsessed with this bag. See, look at this. I think they call it crocodile skin or croc skin leather bag, whatever. Bag, shoulder freaking bag. How? Oh my lord. Oh my god. So this shoulder bag is trending now. Like, if you don't have one of this, sorry sister, you don't have one of this shoulder bags, I don't know what to tell you. My own is that you need this. It is an essential. Are you guys seeing how freaking cute this is? See, this life. Have this bag, my sisters. Have this bag. So I got this from Tom's shop and it is quite amazing. It is very cute, very essential, and you can wear this with anything. I also got another shoulder bag. I am obsessed with shoulder bags, but I didn't get this one from Tom's shop. Essential. So this is how it looks like. Then it has some details on it as well. Please just ignore my nails, I beg. Just ignore it. So it has this, and then in the front, this was actually a gift from somebody. See now what's happening. I love this. Like, since I got these bags, I don't think I've carried my other bags. Like, my other bags are wondering what's happening. These are my everyday bags. Like, moving on, we have another shoe or another footwear, and this is from Jumia. It's upside down, and this is from Jumia, you guys. Jumia. I really like buying from Jumia. Like, no stress. Like, I didn't have to stress myself. Yeah, so this is what it came in. Now I'm going to open it. Like I said, I've opened them already, so please don't look at me like that. Came with my details, like customer details and whatever, tracking number, and voila. This is summer. Sisters, this is summer. You need cute flip-flops like this. You need cute slippers like this. See now, haba. And when I saw this one, I was not so sure about the material, because you know, for this one, but when it came, I was quite happy because it's actually okay. Like, it's not so thick, but it's okay. This is so comfortable. Oh my god, you guys, this is so comfortable. I could wear this anywhere. You need this. This is very essential. The next thing, you guys have seen this one already by now, but I still have to bring it here because I got it during quarantine too. Is this amazing hair I got? Oh Jesus Christ. When I got this hair, I could not stop. Like, I could not stop putting it on. It's so cute, extremely full. Then it has this little closure thingy here, then a band for security. I think I should wear this so that, hey, who is this? What's the name of that song? You are my African queen. Anyways guys, this is how the hair looks like. I am so in love with this. Oh my god, like, it just gives you that volume that you need, and then it gives your face this shape that you want. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I also got this one from an Instagram vendor. I think the name of the vendor is All Savvy Hair. I'll just put it down below or in the description box, so in case you want to order for this for yourself, you could get it there. I don't know if I should be telling you guys the price I got these things, but is it necessary? 1,000 naira. 9,005. I mean 9,003. I can't remember. I'll put it down below. So yeah, I got this one for 9,300. Moving on. So now let's move on to clothes. So I'm just going to show you guys very few clothing I got. Are you seeing the details? Oh my goodness, details. So I got this mom, I don't know if it's like a mom jeans or just like boyfriend jeans or whatever, but I got it in a size 32. It's very nice. I love the material on this one. Like, I love the material. It's very cute. So we're going to try that on real quick. So this is the jeans. Like I said, it's quite baggy and This is how it fits. The back is quite loose. That's how it looks. Quite big. Because next thing I got is this joggers. I just got in a black. I just decided to get one for myself because I've been obsessed. Like, I've been seeing a lot of styles, like people styling joggers, and I'm like, what is this the same joggers? Like, I need to get myself one and try and style it like they are styling theirs. And I got in a size large. Now this is the joggers. This is how it looks like. Convert it down. I'm going to be showing you guys is this top. It's just a crop top, yeah, with bell sleeves. It's very big, and I got this one from Jumia as well, and I like it. And then it has this rope where you could tie your, which is fine and also cute. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This dress, hi Jesus Christ, I am in love with this dress. But let me tell you guys one thing. You see these Instagram vendors, you see these Instagram vendors, they will kill you with stress. This picture, analyze it please. You can see from the picture the texture. Okay, you can't see per se, but like you can see how the material is. Now let me show you what she gave me. I had no choice than to collect it like that. This is what I got. Like the print is so different, and this material is like what will I say, it's stretchy a little bit, but this material in the picture is like mesh. Do you get? I don't know how to explain it. Like, I don't know if it's just me that is just looking at it anyhow, but anyways, look at what she gave me. With the picture, you guys can see that there's a huge difference. Thank God that this dress suits me nice and fits me well. So I'm going to try that on and show you guys, but this is where I go. I'm not going to tag her page because I don't want you guys to suffer like I did. But you can, I think you can get it anywhere, like anywhere, any other Instagram page. But then I got this one. I think I paid everything. I paid like 6,000 naira. This cute blazer. Oh, I'm so in love with this. And you can wear blazer as dresses, so you can imagine. But I'm so in love with this, you guys. Let me just wear that one very quick. It's actually fine, and I got this from H&M. I can't remember the price because she was the one that got it, and I actually like it because I have ideas on how to style it. So now the last thing I'm going to show you guys, thank God we've come to the end of this video. So the last thing I'm going to show you guys is this Ankara print dress. It looks funny. It looks funny just holding it, but it's this, I don't know how they call it. You know this dress that they have, what they call, very stretchy. It's a body cone and it's sleeveless, so it's like tickets. It's above my knee, but like not extremely short. I also got this as per accessories. I've been wanting to try this chunky chains and this, so I got this and I'm so obsessed. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've come this far, I mean, why not just subscribe? Like, please. Thank you. Anyway, make sure to like this video, leave a comment. I actually want to know what you guys think. Tell me what your favorite item was, what you'd like to get. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.